Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is not going to be any fancy video, it's just a quick update on what's been happening with the chaser. So I was having a big debate on whether I should be sharing this online or anything like that, but since I'm not going to be selling the car at all, well, that's the plan, that I keep it like for as long as I can, I might as well just show you guys. Unfortunately, my car, the chaser, got hit, and this was in front of my girlfriend's house, and it got hit by a big 4x4. It had the bar on the front, like a bull bar, and unfortunately it copped my gantry doors, my driver's side door, and my fender. For now, I'm just gonna be respraying and fixing those parts that are damaged, and now I'll go show you my damages. So as you can see, I got very lucky with the gantry doors. It just clipped out from here, and you saw the photos, and I just clipped it in. It's just scratched, no big damage, so that's a good thing. It's just scratched, so just needs a respray. I put double-sided tape on the bottom of the fender. It was just wobbly. She just missed the wheels. You can see how close that was, because her car was literally right there. As you can see, this is cracked, and I got very lucky with these pieces because they're very rare, but it's still on. The door's dented. Already got quoted by Dent Boss, my man. Thanks so much. And at the moment, the door would be just hitting the fender. So if you can see that, you know what I mean? That sucks. I'll try to adjust it to go forward, and it's just still hitting, so it's very annoying. So hence why I got the fenders pretty urgently. But yeah, that's the update with one part of my chaser. Just showing you more of the door. I got very lucky. The door is still fine and still repairable. That's no big deal. It's just gonna be very mixed matched with my whole car color of white, but doesn't matter. So just picked up my new fenders. So here is my new Origin Labo 20mm fenders, which will be replacing the D-Max 15mm. This is definitely going to help me out, and tomorrow this will head down to Auto Elements, and all three will get fixed, and if I can open the door with no worries when I'm getting out of the car. Thanks. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, she didn't run away. She actually came looking for the owner of the car, and yeah, the neighbors helped everyone out and they found me, and I was just in shock because, I mean, what are the chances that your car gets hit when it's parked on the street? I mean, it's very less. She must have been on her phone or something, but yeah, these things happen. And well, the lucky thing is that she paid me out, and it set me back on time, but at least I got the money to kind of fix the car. So thank God she did not run away. Also, I want to give you a quick update about the clutch. First thing, I want to give a big shout out to my good friend Josh Topnet for always helping me out with this chaser. I know I can get annoying sometimes, but no, I appreciate you. So he pretty much took it to work and inspected the inspection plate, and from there you can see how much meat I got left in the clutch. And well, we still have meat according to the inspection plate, so he tweaked it, and I am yet to test it out, but I'll show you in this video of me testing it out. So as you can see, I might need to get a new clutch, and that's solved. And you know what, just for a peace of mind, because I am going to be, you know, thrashing this car. I'm planning to go skid pan and all that stuff. So yeah, there'll be more about that later on. Also, to end this video, I want to give a big shout out to Chris Butterfield for organizing his mate Matty to pick up my fenders while at halfway hangs. So I appreciate you guys and thank you so much. You guys helped me out, and yeah, see you next time.
Mm-hmm.